So good morning everyone. So today we are on Sector B of an urbanisation called Camposol on the Costa.Calida near the port of Matheron. Now I have the pleasure of showing you around this Cibeles style property. It has off-road parking there and a pedestrian gate just here. You're very close to the golf course and the amenities here, literally within a short walk. So let me take you inside and we'll have a look around. So you have here the garden laid to decorative stones, which is easy maintenance. I'll just bring you around and show you the off-road parking. So there's the gate there, and this is your off-road parking, enough for 2 cars. Okay, so we're going to take you inside into the main property now. So it has a few steps up to this terrace area. And you can go through those doors. So let's go inside and have a look around. Now we've just come inside the terrace. This is normally open, but they have enclosed it like a conservatory for extra accommodation. You have got a ceiling light and fan up there, and over here just behind that chair you got central heating. Okay, so we're going to take a walk inside and we go through to the main house. As you can see, there's wreckers and insect screens throughout this property. So this is the vestibule here. We're just coming in to the living room. It's quite a substantial size living room, as you can see. Holds large sofas. So you got a radiator over the far side here, and you got 2 on this side. You got a feature fireplace and your ceiling light and fan. It's a really lovely large living room. You also have your aircon. Absolutely fabulous room for entertaining. So I'm going to take you through the archway over there. I'm going to have a look at the bedrooms, the ensuite and the family shower room. So let's go into the master bedroom first. So just in here, as you can see, there is overhead storage and a double wardrobe just here. And if I carry on, leads you into this very, very large bedroom. It has dual aspects windows, really nice and large. It has aircon. And if I pan around, you can see his and her wardrobes there. Okay, you've also got your radiator in here as well. So let me take you through and we go in and have a look at the ensuite. So just here is the ensuite. Beautifully tiled, clear screen, shower screen, and your large shower there. The vanity unit, storage, and your WC. You've also got your radiator there as well. And you've got somewhere for your towels. Beautiful lighting above. Absolutely gorgeous bathroom ensuite. Now, as we go through the house, just in here is another bedroom. So this is a smaller double, but it will take a double bed, 4'6". You have got ceiling light and fan, and you have aircon. You've also got your wreckers, your blackout blinds, and your insect screens on the window. And this bedroom looks over the pool area, as does the master. So as I pan round, you have overhead storage and a double wardrobe. Some people like to use this as an office, but it makes a great third bedroom. Let me take you up the corridor. And as you can see in the corridor, you got radiators as well. So you've got oil central heating in this property. So just in here, you have a shower room. You have your shower with another clear screen, shower screen, frosted glass window, your vanity unit and your WC. And you've got a heated towel rail there. Really lovely. And if I walk through here, this brings you into the third bedroom. Now the third bedroom has ceiling light and fan, and it also has aircon. It's beautiful patio doors out onto the pool area. And just here you have your overhead storage and your double wardrobes. You've got your radiator just down here as well. Okay, so let's go in and around. We're back into the living space now, which is quite substantially large. Your conservatory is out there, and we are into the dining area. So in here you've got a large dining area, and again it's ceiling light and fan, and you've got your radiators. Through this other archway is this beautiful kitchen. Beautiful lighting as well. Now it's got granite worktop surfaces. You've got your dishwasher, your washing machine, your electric hob and electric oven. Really nice large kitchen. And your hood extractor fan there as well. Just pan around, take it at a different angle for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to take you outside. And we're going to have a look outside in the garden area. Now let's go down here. Just up there is your rooftop solarium. We'll have a look at that at the end. But I'm sure you all want to see the pool area. You have storage just there and storage under the stairs. Now look at this fabulous pool area. You got your barbecue area, your pergola, seating area for outside dining. You got your large umbrella there. And the garden is irrigated. It's got orange trees, some beautiful plants and trees all around the garden. And there of course is your patio doors from that bedroom. So just walk around the garden so you can see. You have a shower just here, and you have plenty of sheds and storage areas. Really nice garden. Okay, so just over here, the shed, there is a fruit tree. And if I come to the side, this is down the side of the property where you have your pergola and your off-road parking. So back into the garden here. You have a nice pergola, lovely area to sit in the shade of the sun, overlooking the pool. Okay. So what do you think of this property, guys? Do let me know in the comments. I'm going to take you upstairs now to the rooftop solarium. So I see you upstairs, guys. So we're up on the rooftop terrace and you can overlook the garden from here. is storage up here and a place that you can have private sunbathing. See beautiful views across the mountains there. So let's go back down, and of course the golf course is just straight across there at the end of the road. So if you're interested in this beautiful Cibeles here on Sector B, do contact us, info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and don't forget to check out our website. So until the next time, take care.